How we use enjoy correctly. Enjoy means to feel happy when doing something. Enjoy is always followed by something, either a noun, verb ing, and pronoun. Enjoy usually followed by a noun or a group of nouns. For example, I really enjoy the music. Remember, don't put a preposition after enjoy. For example, I enjoy with the music. This is a wrong sentence. Once again, no preposition after enjoy. Enjoy not followed by infinitive. If the object of your enjoyment is an action or an activity, use enjoy plus verb ing or gerund. For example, I really enjoy talking to you. Another way to use enjoy if you're getting pleasure or just feel happy from situation, we are going to use a reflexive pronoun after enjoy. I enjoy myself. You enjoy yourself. He enjoys himself. We enjoy ourselves. They enjoy themselves. I hope you understood and thank you for watching.